Alright, so I'm going to give you the unboxing of the Keychron. Well, the light is too much, so I'll have to show you this way. This is the Keychron Q1 75% mechanical keyboard. It's very colorful. Okay, so it's a 75. What is this? An open source customizable keyboard for peak productivity. Okay, so this is Keychron, and if you go to the other side, it shows the keyboard in itself. Keychron, 75% layout, dual compatibility, open source firmware, double gasket, screw stabilizer, CNC, sound absorbing foam. Okay, I don't know much about this. This is going to be my first ever thing. See my wife. Hello. How are you? Fine. I don't know. She's acting funny. What happened? You didn't brush your teeth? Hey. Okay, so let's open it. Why I said didn't brush your teeth? Because she was like this. See how she is? So that's why. So those of you who feel, oh, he's saying to wife, don't brush your teeth. I can joke with my wife. I can joke with you?
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, she's shy because she didn't put makeup. She wanted to put makeup before video. Okay, sure. Okay, okay. So opening this Keychron, let us see unboxing. Okay. Okay. This box will have a lot of my fingerprints. You can see. Looks nice, no? Nice box, no? Is it? Nice, no? Keychron. So, you ever seen keyboard like this?
I never used.
Yeah, even I never used. Let's see. 6,000 baht for this. 6,000? I don't know how much.
Look expensive more than 6,000.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this is foam. Very strong. Okay. So you have a user manual. Make sure switch pins are straight before inserting. Okay, I don't know. Can't make out what is what. They both look same. Okay, please be gentle. Make sure to align the pins. Okay, I will not do all that. Okay, here it is. Oh,
Pack really nice.
Look at the. Oh, this is bloody heavy, man.
Heavy?
Yeah. See, this is heavy. This is seriously heavy. Wait, Annie, just hold this. Show them. Wait, see how heavy it is, huh? But both hands, hold it. It's heavy?
Yes, sir.
Very heavy, no?
I think it fall down like a fillet, no?
Like heavy. Yeah. Okay, hold it. So let us see what it is. Okay, along with this, we get nice cable. This is a very nice cable. It's very nice. It's pretty braided. It's a hardcore cable. And I don't know what is all the screws and all that. Some caps. Okay. So, okay, let's take this out and see. Quick start guide. Okay, this is a quick start guide. Tutorial. Okay, what all you have. Okay, and oh, see, look at this. How to remove the keys.
Oh,
How to remove the keys and all that. Very nice. I like the packaging. Huh? Very professional packaging. Okay, but I'll keep it in. Hey, how do you? Okay, so I'll keep this. Very good. So not like that. Okay. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be, the packaging. Okay, There's all the screwdriver. No, I don't want to touch all that. Okay, so I'll keep this back. This was like this. Now I want to open the keyboard. That's the main thing. Okay. Cable was here. I think I might need to use the cable. But now comes the main thing. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, so the one I purchased was they will fix this and give it to me. So they fixed it and
This yours with your Apple?
yeah, this I will use. See, this is the Keychron keyboard.
What different with normal? Hi, darling. Darling.
I'll tell you, wait. It's hard. This is metal. Yeah, touch. Wait, let my wife see. See how heavy it is?
Ui.
This one, if you throw on someone's head,
Oh, die. Darling, what different?
why? Try typing.
Oh.
See? Nice.
Nice. I feel like a very soft.
Very soft, no?
Oh.
This is the blue one.
Like a fries. Something.
Try.
I think you will like this one.
Okay, just let me try. She liked it. See?
It's just some toy.
It's not a toy. Here, let's see. L-Y, maybe. And then this one is a knob. It's very rugged. It's like tuck. Okay, so this is one keyboard. I'll show you the difference between this. This is my existing keyboard. See how light this one is? I can lift with one finger. Okay, this one I have to really put effort. I'll show you another keyboard which I bought. This one I managed to get at a second-hand price. So this is the one keyboard that I use. This is my first mechanical keyboard. This one I got it for, I think, nearly less than half the price. Almost like brand new. This is obviously the black.
Very long.
Yeah. This is the full. I didn't actually want to buy it, but it's like brand new. You know, the Apple one. So let's see this one. Okay.
How you feel? Same white one.
Yeah, same like the white one.
But why big
See?
and some more?
Yeah. No, this is the full keyboard with the number. This thing. I didn't want this. This area I didn't want.
You can cut if you don't.
How you can cut. See, this one is. See, it's like this. All this extra. Yeah, I don't need that. So that is why it's still here. Okay. So you just show the. Now, see, when I type. This feels nice.
No, feel nice like a. Did like a.
Like nothing.
Yes, but this you can feel like a you jump in something.
See, even my wife like it. But my wife don't type anything. She uses smartphone.
Yes, because
Everyone want to wait. I'll ask you one question. Wait, first let me keep this.
This my toy.
I'm sure baby, if she can feel, she'll want to use it.
Yes, she like to copy you so much.
Okay. One thing which everyone want to ask, everyone asking, why you call me sir? They want to know why you call sir. Why you not call maybe like darling or baby or
I always call you darling sir.
darling sometime. Why you call sir?
Because I respect you.
Because you respect me. I told you call me sir or I'll beat. I told you like that.
No.
You only told sir, no?
Yes, sir.
So I don't mind sir.
Why? What happened? Why cannot call?
No, nothing. Everyone in internet.
If
people,
you don't like.
No, I like very much. Because other people say, my sweetie, honey bunny, my baby bum. You want I call you baby bum and all that?
No.
Huh? Sexy bum,
No.
honey bunny. Huh? Cookie wookie,
No.
mookie.
No.
Suki.
I like Isuki.
Yeah, what is suki?
Like that soup, no.
Soup. Okay. Soupy. So now you see why she called me sir. See? Sir, no? Sir Loy.
Sir.
Yes, sir. No, she called normal. It's very good. Some people don't like. The people are crazy. They say, why she called sir? She should call something. I don't know what. Darling, Loy, Mr. Loy. No, not Mr. Loy, come here.
I don't like say like what
Name.
Mm.
Even when I call you, what do I call you? Annie. Do I say, Nitnipa, come here. Nakoon.
No, not say like that. This for person don't know like not
So when I'm angry, I'll say, Nitnipa.
doggy
Hey, when I'm angry, what do I call you?
buffalo. Doggy buffalo.
Doggy buffalo. Good. Bow wow. Okay, so that's why my wife called. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Wait. Tell me, sir. So this is it. Good. You want to type again? Show last time. How much? How
I
wife typing?
forgot. I wait. We have Thai
Yeah, Thai. It's a
You-
Thai in English.
from Thai from
Yeah.
Thailand.
From Thailand, I buy this thing. If you buy from America, you have to pay more.
Oh.
So this is original, but Thai keyboard.
Oh, very heavy.
Mm.
Made from stone.
Yeah.
But I like this thing.
Mm.
Oh, like if I don't know how to typing.
You don't. What do you type? I buy you computer. I buy you brand new. What you did with the computer? Watching YouTube. And baby was typing, not you. Correct? Show your monkey face.
See, I can close eye and do it.
Close eye. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Darling.
Chill. Okay. So this was the Keychron. This thing, Q1. So let me get it fixed up and I'll share my opinion. And later on, I'll show you my new studio setup. You just a trailer. Not show you. Okay. You guys take care. Bye.
It's not heavy, really nice. Because if
No, I wanted heavy. Actually, I wanted heavy. Yeah, I wanted to put there.
but I like one.
Yeah, I can buy a laptop, but you will not use. You
I
will only
don't
watch.
want.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't want your laptop. Because
I even bought you a new laptop. What you did? Nothing.
I don't do anything. I don't want.
I'm very sure. Will show baby.
No, she will play. No. Let her busy something. Because if you show her one time, she will want and she will disturb you.
Okay.
I don't have to look in.
Okay.
Ah, you can stop.
Oh, stop. Okay, I didn't know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chal. See you guys. Okay. Bye.